So radio on. So system boots, Bluetooth connected. Let's go for radio. Sound's gone completely now. So we have no sound at all. Try the music. As you can hear, no sound coming through. Then it pops and it's gone completely. So we've got nothing. Go back to radio. Nothing coming through. Now we have sound again. So sound's back on. And then sound's gone again. And sound's gone completely. All the leads have been checked, all the connections are right. And sound's gone again. That's the problem we have. So if I go back to radio, no sound, no sound, no sound. You can see no sound. And it pops and sometimes it comes on, sometimes it doesn't, then it just goes off again. And there you have it.